What is up, you guys? All right, so it is drizzling, so I'm gonna hurry up, but we have officially arrived to Sistrunk Marketplace food hall in Fort Lauderdale, and it is amazing. I've been here before. I don't know if we've been here together, but I am here for a pasta making class, and I am super excited because if you know me, you know I love to cook and I love to learn. So come on, let's go. So this is a what?
You don't even want to know what I did today.
A truffle.
So I know, right?
Did you take the whole one?
I did one bite.
Okay.
I did it really, yeah. They don't get you.
But she had it like it didn't have a thing, so you have to hold it. So like, you mind helping me? The thing for this, right? Yeah.
That was good.
But yeah.
In the same container, set aside 3 tablespoons of that flour without breaking this little container that we created. That little extra flour, we're going to use that later. And when working, you use that to start your bench flour to put on the board. And if the dough needs more flour, we can add more to that. Because in Florida, when you're making pasta, it's tricky because there's a lot of moisture. So the dough can be a little more wet, if you want to get a little more flour. Not all eggs are created equal, so an egg might be a little smaller than the other. So you might need more liquid to compensate that. So once you have your little well, then what you're going to do, you're going to crack the egg. And when you're cracking the egg, you want to crack it on something flat to avoid a crack. And you don't even want to become closer anymore. Just give it a little flat tap. And then put both fingers and separate it right inside that bowl. Once you become a pro, then you can just do it with 1 hand. So do it with 2 hands. And take your time. Be patient.
It's the trash you guys
Be
figure
patient with yourself. You want to do this. With pasta, to me, I call it the yoga of the chef bowl. Because you have to be like in this mindful, kind of peaceful space to really enjoy it. If you're rushing through it. Now the flour that I'm using is a special flour. This is called 00 flour. It's a wheat flour that's ground very fine. And this flour is really good for pizza dough, pasta dough, and also dough very
Mix
fast.
everything in here.
So this is 1¼ cup of flour to 2 eggs. Just kind of grab it on the loose ends and grab it all together into one dough. When you're stationing, you should have some tools. This is a scraper. So any loose pieces or anything stuck to the table,
Try to mix this
scrape it
way.
off the table.
Because it's all gonna go together. Just
Okay.
Scoop it all up. And yes, your hands are going to be sticky. That is the fun part. That's the hands-on part. This is where you're working your soul into the dish. Now, if you have stuff stuck to your hands, just put a little bit of flour on it, and then rub.
About how much? Like,
You want to have a little bit of a coat so the egg doesn't run through.
I think the point where you need to grab this, just put that up.
Egg, okay.
And then like when it gets like, you see this happen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then mix it all in.
Yeah. Like,
how do you do the egg? You just
but it's gonna be on the table over there. But if it happens again.
Okay, thank you.
Some flour.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, your camera today is full of flour.
Our dough is not ready yet. We'll know that it's ready. Okay, so your ancestors kind of like just pop in and like tell you it's ready. Well, maybe not your ancestors because I'm not Italian, but it's gonna be soft and you're gonna be able to kind of pull it apart and get a soft stretch. So right now, it ain't ready. Alright, we're almost there.
All the way down, and then same thing. Straight that off. So the next one I'm going to show you is the queen. So the same sheet. This one you want to put plenty of flour. Because it sticks. Once you cut it, it kind of sticks to each other, and that's a pain in the butt. Is that what it was? You want any dressings? So this one we're going to go to 7.
Don't worry, very sweet.
It's like the scene of Ghost. They're making the pottery, but it's not
Same mood, same mood. So this one had a little rip, it's a big deal. Alright, so you can trim off the edges so you can have a nice uniform piece. You can even say that when you were building. So now, you're going to bring one side to the middle, another side to the middle, fold this to the middle, and this to the middle. Everybody can help with this one. We need to plug leaves. She does me. She does me not. And then here, simultaneously, you're going to start putting 3, brush of 3 enough. If you have more, just put the rest in there. Sorry, I wanted to wipe it.